Hello and welcome to Edinburgh Watch Company. My name is Jonathan, and on today's video I'm going to show you and talk to you about a really attractive watch from the famous Swiss brand Cartier. Now you can find out more about this watch by visiting our website at edinburghwatchcompany.co.uk, and there you'll see some photographs, some technical specification and pricing. But if there's anything else you'd like to have a chat about the watch, maybe part exchanging a watch, maybe financing the watch, then please just give me a call directly. So the watch we have here is it's just a lovely looking watch. In fact, you can't buy this model, the Calibre de Cartier, anymore, and it was a real new look to Cartier when it came out, and we've sold a few through the years, but we haven't seen one for ages. Now you could not buy a better version of this. This one was bought and traded in fact, by one of our customers. I think he got it as a wedding present back in 2012, but never wore it. He traded and bought a Rolex from us. It's still in its protective stickers. And getting one of these like that, they're incredibly rare. And as you can see here, all the papers, instructional manuals, you even got a DVD, the box, outer box, everything's just there. So if you've got perhaps a member of the family who loves the brand Cartier, maybe you're thinking about buying a husband a watch or something, or maybe even just a treat to yourself, this is definitely one to look at. Now the case size on this watch is 42mm, so probably more traditionally for a gentleman, but we have lots of ladies as well that like their larger watches, so I wouldn't rule it out for a lady too. But it is just a cracking piece. Let's go and have a slightly closer look at it just now. So there we are. Dial itself is like it's like a probably silver dial is how to best describe it. Very prominent Roman numerals as the hour markers. You can see here the second hand sweeping round on the sub dial down there at 6 o'clock, and then here you've got a rather nice date function as well. Lovely big dial, very, very clear and easy to read, so if your eyesight's not perhaps as good as it once was, then this should be an easy one to read here. The hour hands here and the minute hands have a luminous coating on them as well, so easy to read at night time. Dial going around the outside here, the bezel in polished stainless steel. But just look at the angles of it here. If I pop it on its side there, you can just see it's absolutely beautiful design. It really is, and you can see the blue crystal on the side there. It just absolutely pops as the light hits it. But I just love these sort of screws in the side of the case here. It is a lovely, lovely design. And then on this side here, again, similar look there. You can see you have the satinized finished on the side of the case there, the polished screws, the polished bezel, and that look goes all the way down. You can see there on the side of the bracelet there with those screws in it, very typical of Cartier. On the back of the watch, you've actually got the sapphire crystal back as well, so you can see the rotor moving around there, the automatic movement there. And the bracelet itself, I talked earlier about the stickers on it. You can see the stickers covering all of the bracelet there. So despite this watch being, what, I guess 9 years old now, someone's going to feel like they're getting a new watch. And then you have what we call the double deployment clasp there. So the way that works, one clicks in first and then the other one just goes in there. So really, really comfortable to wear. And you just push these little buttons there and they both open up there. You've even got the original Cartier sticker on it. Now size-wise, I mentioned earlier, it's 42mm, so a good size. My wrist size is about an 8-inch wrist, so quite a big wrist, but we'll let you have a look at, see what it looks like on my wrist there. And just give you a feel of it there. Really smart looking piece. And then I'll just hold it up to camera and you can see it up there. So it's not, I wouldn't say it's a thin watch. It's, I mean, it's housing an automatic movement, but it's not overly thick. It's definitely one, you know, you could wear every day. It's actually a waterproof watch as well, but again, the crown doesn't screw into the side of the case, so I'd probably resist taking it in the water. I tend to recommend swimming with watches where the crown screws in. But anyhow, if you're looking for a lovely Cartier, Calibre de Cartier, something a little bit different, this would make an absolutely wonderful gift. So there we are. That brings us to the end of today's review. Thank you so much for watching. We've got loads more watches in stock too, loads more videos coming along too. So if you'd like to be notified of all of our latest reviews, then please just click there. That will subscribe you to our channel. We also try to post our watches on Instagram and Facebook too, so if you follow us there, come and see us there too. Thanks for watching. Take care.